the Lord is saying
Vaadake ekraanile.
that because we have that promise, that hope, that prophecy of that day,
Meil on see lootus, et me ei sure.
so we are therefore totally different from all other people on the earth.
Me oleme sellepärast täiesti erinevad kõikidest teistest inimestest siin maailmas.
Anybody that has received Jesus in Estonia now
Et kes on võtnud Jeesuse Kristuse vastu,
is totally different from anybody else on the earth.
on väga erinev nendest, kes siin maa peal elavad.
Because he says, for you, you have hope.
Sest ta ütleb, et teil on lootus.
So in other words, you cannot be born again and live like the atheists or the enemies of God and expect to enter the kingdom of God, right?
Et sa ei ära mõtle, et sa saad elada nagu tavalised maailma inimesed ja siis saad taevasse.
That's why I have come to announce that it's time now to take the grace more seriously, your salvation more seriously, and deliberately prepare for the coming of the
Ma olen
Messiah.
tulnud ütlema, et võtke oma hingepääst hästi tõsiselt ja plaanige seda Jeesuse tagasitulekut. Kohe plaanige. Mitte niisama arga oodake.
That this nation may prepare the way for
Et
the
see
coming of the
Eesti
Messiah.
maa oleks ette valmistatud Jeesuse tagasitulekuks.
But he raises hope.
Ja ta annab meile lootuse.
He says that there is a hope we have that nobody else globally has that makes us totally different from the rest of
Me
mankind.
erineme kõikidest rahvustest sellepärast, et meil on lootus, mida teistel ei ole.